Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Sharma. I'm founder and CEO of KLEAP Cybersecurity LLC. KLEAP is a leading and fastest growing cybersecurity company with the mission to make security affordable, available, and accessible to all. We have been working in the cybersecurity domain since a couple of years back in India. But in order to grow and scale, we have established our headquarters in Raleigh, NC in 2023. With my experience of working with over 200 plus clients, I have analyzed that security is often challenging and unaffordable for SMBs. Even there are so many solutions available in the market, they only cater to large enterprises or customers with deep pockets. Hence, our focus is SMBs. Currently, we are catering our customers through a manual process, but in order to scale, we have built our flagship product, Tulsi. Tulsi is a very user friendly, easy to use platform which connects businesses with elite set of researchers, providing complete transparency and integrity of our cybersecurity programs. We offer two pricing models on our platform. One is flexi-based model and second is program-based credit model. I am very passionate about my product and I believe it has the potential to disrupt the market. And in order to scale, I need your help. It will not only increase my brand presence, but it also will create opportunities in the market in Raleigh. And I'm very excited to show you our product. So let's see a short demo.
Welcome to Tulsi, a bug bounty platform for Web 2 and Web 3. Let's create an account for organization. At the bottom, there's a link for click here to register. We'll select the organization profile. We'll add the username, company name, email ID, our password, technology used. You can add any technologies. And then we click register. Our account has been registered successfully. Next, we can log in. Once your account has been approved, you will see a dashboard like this. Next, let's create bounties. We'll click on this button and here we will fill all the necessary details required as per our program. You can add the scope here, rules and regulation. Next, you can add all the policies and click publish. Here is a submitted and approved report from a researcher. Next, we have the program name and also the date on which it was submitted, status approved, the name of the vulnerability, severity, CVSS score, program description, recommendations, impact, proof of concept, and the screenshots at the bottom.